What's up, guys? Mitchell the Go Animator here, and we're back with another unboxing and reviewing. And today I have a Hot Wheels Monster Jam diecast to take a look at. This is Bulldozer. This truck is number 50 from the Battle Slammer series. So we're gonna take a look and compare it with the Spin Master version of Bulldozer to compare the details. So the package is a bit damaged. I ordered him off of eBay, and here's the back of the package. Of this case, we got Shocker with a new look, Instigator, Bulldozer, Higher Education, Gravedigger, and El Toro Loco, the yellow one. So let's open them up. Okay, so there's Bulldozer. Let me just out of the package. He looks really cool. This truck competed back in 1997 and retired back in 2009. And this truck came with the Battle Slammer that looks like claws. It's a gray, and it has the Bulldozer logo on it. So let's take a look at. So here it is. Bulldozer. We got the nose ring. Got the white horns. Here's the Hot Wheels and logo, the Monster Jam logo. The sign says Bulldozer. So here's a gold tooth, but Bulldozer does not have a gold tooth in the real life truck. So this is why I'm comparing it with the Spin Master truck. So here's the comparison. So you can see the Spin Master version has the eyebrows and the mouth, and the Spin Master has kind of a little bit of detail. So, and we're looking at the sides. It's the same thing, just like the left side. You see they're identical. And look, and here's the tailgate. And you can see the Hot Wheels version reads Bulldozer on the tailgate, while the Spin Master one has monsterjam.com. So let's put on the Battle Slammer for Bulldozer. And there he goes. Cool looking truck. I'm so happy to have him in my collection. So Bulldozer does appear in the few Monster Jam video games. There were Monster Jam Maximum Destruction, Monster 4x4 Masters of Metal, Monster Jam Game 2007, then Monster Jam Urban Assault, even Path of Destruction. So these were just the console games. And this truck was the first 3D body styles. And this truck is also a teammate to Bulldozer. El Toro Loco. And let's see if there's anything else. Oh yes, Bulldozer does appear in Monster Truck Madness 2. So that's gonna be it for this unboxing and reviewing video of the Hot Wheels Monster Jam Bulldozer. I'm happy to have him in my collection. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content, and also subscribe to my friends too. And anyways, my name is Mitchell the Go Animator, signing off. And see ya. Bye.